Hello and welcome to RLRXL Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and awesome video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful spotlight visualization chart in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen, I have already made this beautiful chart with the use of these three team leaders data which I have mentioned in my Excel sheet, and on the basis of these data I have some justified condition, and on the basis of these condition these spotlight chart is reflecting. And the condition is, if any one team is getting below 50% score, then the spotlight color will be red, and if the score is getting between 50 to 80%, then spotlight color will be yellow, and the above 80% score would be green. And how it is reflecting, let's see. If I will refresh this sheet, then you can see how it is reflecting, because I have used ran between formula to get the random score of these team leader. You can also put here your actual percentage or actual value. And if I will refresh this sheet, then see the magic. Alright, see, amazingly, isn't it cool? So I will teach you in next 10 minutes how you can create from yourselves. So what will I do? I will just copy my these data and will control C to copy it, and will press control N to open a new workbook and will paste the data over here. Alright, now I do not need this workbook, so I will just close it and we will work on this sheet. Alright, so here I have put some condition and I have calculated these condition over here in the basis of these data. So first of all, I will remove this condition and will teach you how you can calculate it. Alright, so here I have used two methods to calculate this condition. First is nested if, and the second one is nested if with AND formula. You can also use any one condition. Alright, so first I will use nested if. So what will I do? I will just press if this cell means B2 is greater than 80%, then the color would be green. Simple. Then again if, and if B2 cell is greater than 50%, then the color would be yellow, and another way the color would be red. Alright, simple logical condition where I have mentioned the condition, and you can also see the condition is coming with the answer. Alright, also you can put some another condition. So let's say is equal to, if this cell is less than or equal to 50%, then the color would be in red. Alright, then if and this cell is greater than or equal to 50%, and this cell is less than or equal to 80%, then the color would be in yellow, otherwise the color would be in green. Alright, so here I have used two conditions. You can also put any one condition to get your answer. Alright, just drag it, and now see it is working. Alright, and let's create the next spotlight. So what will I do? I will just click on insert tab, illustration, shapes, and will take a shape which is oval shape. Click on it and just press shift button from your keyboard and drag your oval. Now here you can see an oval is dragged, and now we'll press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. Then I will press Ctrl A to select the both oval, and we'll go to format and we'll align it as center and align it as middle. So now both oval is now aligned. We'll click outside anywhere, and then we'll click on first oval. Then I will press Ctrl Shift button from your keyboard and will just resize the outer oval. Alright, so now here you can see there is two oval. First one is little smaller and the second one is little bigger. Alright, so I will just select first one which is smaller, then click on format and do the shape fill as yellow color and the shape outline as no outline. Alright, then click on outer oval, go to format and do the shape outline as no outline. Right click on it, format shape, and here we'll give some gradients color. So I will expand fill, select gradients fill, and here some default gradient is available, so I will just select this one under presets color, this one, and there is 4 stops, so I will keep 4 stops. If less than 4 stop, then you can just add on, and if more than 4 stop, then you can just remove it from here. Alright, so I will just select first one and will give the color which is white one. We'll pick the second stop and we'll give the color which is lighter black. Then we'll pick the third stop and we'll give the color as darker white, and we'll pick the fourth stop and we'll give the color as darker black. Alright, so here you can see our color is now done. What will I do next? I will just select my both oval and will right click on it and make it grouped. So now here you can see the two oval is now grouped. I will just select outer oval using double click and will click on effects, and I will click on 3D format, and under top bevel I will select this one which is convex. Alright, so now the shape look like this, and will give the depth is 25. Alright, then I will just click outside anywhere and click again on oval, then expand 3D rotation, and under presets I will give parallel this one which is off axis one top. So now you can see the shape is looks like this. Alright, then just you can press the shift key from your keyboard and just resize it. Alright, now we need to create the flow of the light. So what will I do? I will just click on insert tab again. We'll go to illustration, shapes, and we'll take this one shape which is trapezoid. Alright, click on anywhere, then select this one, go to format, align, rotate it, flip vertical. Alright, then just keep out above of this shape and just resize it. Alright, then select this one, go to format, do the shape outline as no outline, right click on it, format shape. We'll give some gradient fill, so I will select gradient fill, and here there is 4 stops. So first will I select this one and will give the position as 0% and transparency as 40%, and will choose the color as this one, yellow one. Alright, we'll give the transparency as 40%, make sure. Then we'll select the second one and we'll give the color as yellow, and we'll give the position as 33% and transparency as 60%. Then we will select third stop, we'll give the color as yellow, we'll give the position as 66% and color transparency as 80%. And now in 4 we'll select fourth stop and we'll give the color as yellow, and we'll give the transparency as 100% and position as 100%. So now you can see there is a light effect is reflecting. Then I will just select both shape, right click, make it group. So now there is one group. Will I make duplicate for another one? Now here you can see there is 3 shape is now done, but I need to make changes for both one, because one we need red color, second one we need yellow color, and for the third one we need green color. So what will I do? I will just select first one, first oval. Alright, then we'll go to fill and line, solid fill, and we'll change the color. Let's say I'm taking red. Alright, then we'll select this one which is lighter effect, and we'll go to fill and line, gradient fill, and we will change the color for each and every one stop, and we'll take red color. Alright, this one and this one. Alright, then we'll select first one, position 0%, transparency 40%, second one, position 33% and transparency 60%, third one, position 66%, transparency 80%, and fourth one, position 100% and transparency also 100%. So here you can see a red light effect is coming. For the another one we will do the same thing. Select first one which is oval, and we'll change the solid fill as, let's say I'm taking green, and just make sure take the color as green. Alright, then select this one which is lighting effect, and we'll change the gradient stops color. First we will take green, second we will also take green, third one also will be green, and the last one would be also green. We select first one, it is position on 0% and the transparency as 40%. Second one position is 33%, transparency as 60%. third one position is 66%, transparency as 80%, and the last one position as 100% and transparency also 100%. So here you can see the three effect is now coming and both all are done. Alright, then what will I do? I will just select this one and will select each and every one, press Ctrl X, and then add a new worksheet and paste the data or chart over here. So now you can see the chart is now pasted over here. Then what would I do? I will just resize the size like this one for A1 cell, and then we select alright, then select first one and keep it over here. Alright, then select all shape, right click on it, format object, and here we will go to size and properties and we'll expand properties, and here we will click on don't move or size with cell. Alright, then click on close. Then we will select first cell and we'll copy it, then select B1 and C1 cell, right click, paste special, and click on column width. Okay, so that the same column width will be applied on both. Then I will just select this one and will pick it over here, select last one and pick it over here. Now you can also put some shadow effect. So what will I do? I'll just select this one. Alright, then right click on it, format shape, and we'll click on effects, and shadow, will take the shadow like this one, offset center, and will size at 106%. So now you can see here and smaller shadow is coming. Similarly we will do for the another one. We select this one and transparency size at 106%. Similarly for last one, this one is shadow and size is 106%. So now you can see the shadow is applied in all shape. Alright, now what will I do? I'll just select first one cell, will press Ctrl C to copy it, go to our previous worksheet and will right click, paste special. Alright, now we need to select this one, Ctrl right click, copy, right, go to back your previous worksheet, right click, paste special, and now select and click on OK, so that an image would be now completed. Now I will just crop it from each and every side to make it more beautiful. I will just click on format and will copy it from each and every side little. Alright, so now you can see they stopped. I will just select the entire worksheet, click on view tab, and will remove the grid lines. Alright, so now this is done. First of all, I will get back to my new worksheet and will give the name for each and every shadow. So what will I do? I'll just click on formulas and we'll go to name manager, click on new, and first one would be for red. So I will type here red, and now this time the first shape is in A1 cell. So I will just select A1 cell and click on OK. So the first name is completed. Similarly we will do for another one, yellow, and this time refers to B1 cell because it is in B1. In last we will take the name as green and will pass the reference as C1 because this is now time in C1. Alright, so all three name is now done. We'll go to our previous worksheet and then we will make the duplicate for all team leader. Alright, then we will create new name for these team leaders. So what will I do? I will again click on formulas, name manager, and here I will click on new and will type the name, which is first one name is Rajesh, and for this we need first one which is whatever color would be available over here. So we'll keep it from indirect formula. So press is equal to indirect, and here I have mentioned three shapes for the name of red, green, and yellow. So I will put it from indirect formula. So I will open it, and then this one is for first one, which can be red, which can be yellow, or which can be green. So just close the bracket and press the OK. And now similarly for second one, which is Radha, and this time I will press is equal to indirect, and that would be anything which would be available over here. Alright, any of the color can be in this cell, and the last one for Sanjeet is equal to indirect bracket open, and then select third one bracket close, and now okay. Alright, now we just have to link these stops for spotlight for these three team leaders name. Alright, so what will I do? I'll just select first one, go to formula bar, press is equal to, and this one would be for Rajesh, to type Rajesh and just press enter. So now you can see this is done. Select second one, go to formula bar, press is equal to, now the second one for Radha, just press enter. So now this is also done. Both are in red color, that's why this is in red. Select last one, go to formula bar, press is equal to, and now this is for Sanjeet, press this one. Now you can see this is green, and just select each and every one, go to formula and align it like as center, and align it, sorry, not center, in middle, and align it, distribute horizontally, so it would be distributed. Now what will I do? I will just change the data for each and every MIS, and now you can see this is reflecting amazingly. Just we need to add the name of these team leaders in their spotlight, and just we need to add the data level. So what will I do? I'll just click on insert, go to text box, we'll take text box and select this text box, go to formula bar, press is equal to, and select the first one name. Alright, then just align it centrally, then increase the font size. Let's say I'm just taking 20, make it bold, and keep the color as white, because we will keep over here. Select this one and keep over here. Then select the shape, go to format and shape outline, shape fill as no fill, shape outline as no outline. So here you can see this name is now done. We'll press Ctrl D to make the duplicate for another one. We will select this one, we'll keep this one is equal to, and we'll connect with another one. We'll make the Ctrl D to make it duplicate, and we'll keep it for another one, and we'll connect for third one. Alright, and I will select the second one, and we'll go to home, and we'll click on format painter, and we'll give the same format to each and every one, and then we will resize it just. Alright, now just we need to add the data level for last one. So I will just select anyone, make it duplicate, then select and put it over here, and this time I will take the font size as, let's say, 45. Alright, and I will select this one and will connect it with this data. Alright, and now I will take again, click on it, and will take the font size as 45. Select this one, click on 45. Alright, now we'll take the font type as agency FB. Alright, click on bold and just align it centrally. Then select this one, go to format, and this time I will take the text fill as this one. Alright, and the text outline as no outline. Text effect in shadow I will take no shadow. In bevel I will take this one, which is angle. Alright, angle, this one. Alright, then I will go to again 3D rotation and will take this one, which is off axis to left. So now you can see this is completed. Now just make the duplicate for second one and keep it over here. Ctrl D to for third one, just keep it over here and connect with second data. This is also, and this is also, and just select first one and do the form painter for each and every one. So now here you can see this is now done, and if I will change the value, then how it will be reflect. Alright, so this is amazing and new technique to show your MIS report more productive and more beautiful. So isn't it cool? I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, please like it, and if you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. I know this is too tricky, so for your help I will just upload this file into Google Drive, and will share the link below of this video or description of this video, and you can just download it and do the practice multiple times. Alright, we'll meet you next video. Till then, good.